This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Holly Bryant. This Loudon treasure was a family estate that needs some love and renovating to restore it to its original beauty. With approximately 2,400 total square feet, the home sits on close to 2.5 peaceful, country acres but is still in an excellent location close to 75. With walking distance to a beautiful park that includes softball and baseball fields, soccer field, picnic area, and amphitheater, you can soak up everything there is to love about quiet, small town living. Home is being sold as is and seller will make no repairs. Perks include city and county amenities, such as garbage pickup, brush pickup, and leaves. And with only about $1,200 per year in property taxes, this would be a great investment/flip, or you could make this your new East Tennessee homestead. Buyer to verify square feet. For more information, review the details below or contact Holly Bryant at 865-693-1111.